First up, a large volcano in the southwest of Iceland has erupted after weeks of earthquakes. Take a wee look at this. This is what some people in Iceland saw last night. Magma blasted through the Earth's surface as the Fagradalsfjall volcano erupted. Scientists had predicted that the eruption was going to happen, so people in Iceland were prepared. In the past few weeks, there's been earthquakes and cracks have been appearing in the ground. This suggested lots of movement in the Earth's crust. Volcanic eruptions happen when magma rises to the surface and breaks through the crust as lava. It can create some pretty dramatic scenes like this, but because it's so hot, lava can be very dangerous. Lots of people living near the volcano were told to leave their homes and move somewhere safe before the eruption happened.
Everyone was prepared. They evacuated the town exactly when they should have done. Like the Icelanders are especially good at this because the entire country wouldn't exist if it wasn't for all these volcanoes. Like the whole country is volcanic.
Scientists and emergency services in Iceland are keeping track of where the lava is flowing, but say the eruptions could last for another few weeks, maybe even months.